In this video, we're going to explore how we can give how we can use the border right width property and give our current box here on the right side a border with a designated width. Let's start and look at that. So the first thing what we need to do here is we're going to use our command, or another command. Basically, this is our declaration, and we're going to use the border width right width property. Once we use this property, we need to put in the value what we want, and let's say here we want 20 pixels. Once we have this 20 pixels here, we can do this. We can save this, and once we save this and we refresh here, you will see here while we have assigned something, it doesn't recognize yet. Why? Because currently we don't have any border line on the right side. So what we have to do here is basically create a border line. So we say here border right style, and then we can say here dashed. And if we do this, or we can maybe instead of dash we say double. We save this and then we refresh, and then as you can see here now we have created a very unique way of designing our border. We have all different styles and we have all different sizes here. And this is the way how you can do it, but of course there's a way to do it efficiently, which I will show you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.